some different angles of ad copy. You see, angles are important because whatever you're trying to tell, you have an audience, and different people will resonate to your ad angles in a different way. So let's say audience number one might resonate to ad angle that is going with benefit. Audience two might resonate with an ad that's talks about desires. Audience three might go with the ad copy that will transform their life. So here are some of the angles that you can take while making ad copy. So angle one is simple product benefit or features. It should be benefits only. Angle number two can be testimonial. This is very powerful. Testimonial. Angle number three is going to be story based or transformation ads. And I found this way you can be negative with your ads, and that way Facebook will not disapprove your ads because you're telling a story. And so number three is story based or transformation. Number four is ingredients, what your ad product is made up of. Number five is solution based ad. So what is your product trying to solve? Number six is going to be value based ad, which is let's look at it like this: whatever you're trying to sell, you have an audience, and those audience gets some sort of value. So if they read your ad, and if that piece of material is enhancing their life, they will be more than likely to click on the link and buy the product. So value based ads. So you will have your product or your niche or your customers, they will resonate with certain sort of value, like certain sort of information that is going to enhance their life. So that's value based ad. How to ads, it's how to remove this, how to be more beautiful, that how to have a better wedding, or how to. So these are how to ads. Blog style ads. So this is, we are going to write ads that will be normally will be written in a blog. These ads will also be long, but you can make it short. Will give a lot of value to your customers, and they can, if they are reading these ads, means they are curious, or they want to know about what the product is selling, or how the product will transform their life. Problem with different products in your industry. So this is, you have your competitors, and if your product or service is superior to them, you can talk about your competitors and tell them why your product is better than your competitors. This is a good ad as well. And then we have retargeting, which will be for another video. And if you need my help with Facebook ads, please click on the link 1 and 2, and let's get talking. See you in another video.